Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are sending our hydraulic control mobile crawler wood chipper to Europe. This wood chipper with full hydraulic control with no electric connections. So this chipper can work outside in a forest and with a mobile crawler for easy moving. This wood chipper we fit with a 500 horsepower complete brand new diesel engine. The engine is the top brand Wechat, top quality. And this wood chipper capacity is 15 to 20 tons per hour for wood logs. This wood chipper we fit with 5 meters input chain conveyor and 8 meters footable output conveyor. This chain conveyor is 1.3 meters in width, and the input part is 600 millimeters height. So you can put the wood logs less than 40 centimeters into this wood chipper. This wood chipper we fit inside the drum with 8 pieces cutting blade, and the sieve we fit with 50 millimeters hose. So with this chipper cutting, you put the different size wood logs into our wood chipper, and you got the wood chips. Yesterday we just made a test, and the wood chip size will be around 3 to 5 centimeters. Very small size. Okay, everyone, later we will also show you the working condition of our chipper. If you like Longze brand, top quality hydraulic control wood chipper, please send your inquiry to our team. Trust Longze quality, trust Longze machine. Thank you. Bye-bye.